To integrate CyberScout covered services, start by understanding what CyberScout offers, which includes identity theft protection, data breach response, and cybersecurity education. The first step is to determine which services are relevant to your needs, whether personal or business related. Next, contact CyberScout directly or visit their website to learn more about their services and to sign up. During the sign-up process, you will be required to provide some personal and contact information to create an account. After signing up, you will have access to the CyberScout dashboard where you can manage your services, access educational resources, and monitor your protection status. Take some time to familiarize yourself with the dashboard and explore the various tools and features available. One of the key services offered by CyberScout is identity theft protection, which includes monitoring of credit reports, public records, and the dark web for any suspicious activity. To activate this service, navigate to the Identity Theft Protection section of the dashboard and follow the prompts to provide the necessary information. In addition to identity theft protection, CyberScout also offers data breach response services, which include notification, consultation, and remediation in the event of a data breach. To activate this service, contact CyberScout directly and provide information about your business or organization. To get the most out of CyberScout covered services, it is essential to stay informed and educated about cybersecurity best practices. CyberScout provides various educational resources, including webinars, articles, and videos, which can be accessed through the dashboard. Finally, to ensure seamless integration, make sure to regularly review and update your account information, and take advantage of the various tools and features available to stay protected. By following these steps and best practices, you can effectively integrate CyberScout covered services and enjoy enhanced cybersecurity and identity theft protection.